Hello everyone, it's Bobby K. Sorry for the background noise. I'm in my family room right now. It is currently 82 degrees in here. It's actually not that hot compared to what it usually is. We got our fireplace going right over there. We got a fan going to push it through the rest of the house. Since it is in the negatives outside, I gotta stay inside. So I decided, I can't really do that much. So I'm going to be doing, yesterday, at this point probably you saw the Dark Jester on a Swing unboxing. But today you're going to be seeing the Wacky Mole Clown unboxing. And I'm planning on doing probably daily unboxings for a while. Hopefully that can work out. So today we'll be doing Wacky Mole. We got the good black lights here that I use on the live stream where I set up Hugs and Young Crouchy. I did want to see how he looks in that in the black light, so yeah, that's why I'm doing that. So yeah, those are the good black lights. So yeah, here we go. We're gonna open him up. Oh god. Okay, there it is. He was a store display. I got him in 2021. First time I was ever out of Spirit, 2021. He was my first purchase. So, first up we got his shirt here. You may be wondering why is the thread black on these. It's because I went to go like this to straighten out the shirt when I was gonna fold it up. But one of the buttons fell off and my mom decided to just rip the other one off and replace it with black thread because it would not look right if it was just one green and one black. So next up, we have this hip hoop. Makes me want to wallop things with my hair. Oh. Next up, we got his head, fully latex. Surprised the latex isn't frozen since it was outside in negative degrees, but whatever. Oh my god. This is his hand. But what I was laughing about just a second ago, I put a Spirit of Children's bracelet on his hand, so where you couldn't see it when the thing was over it, but he was still supporting Spirit of Children. It's still on there. So, yeah, I guess I never took it off. I don't think I'm going to at this point. There's no point in that. Pants. I think they should make Wacky Mole merchandise like they did with Crouchy and Nightcrawler and a bunch of other animatronics. His adapter, kind of tangled up. It didn't come with the adapter box, which I usually would save. It didn't come with the adapter box because it was a store display and people tossed that out. Because why would they keep it? They just hadn't disposed of the box yet. So yeah. Next up we got his shoes. I know it's for Johnny Punk, but what are those? Next up we got both of his arms. As you may know, I posed the arm that is holding his just normal hand down, and then the one that's holding the hammer hand, I posed it up just to make it look more natural. And then next up, out of every prop that I have, I think Wacky Mole is probably the most customized. Okay, next up we got his shoulder frame. It's my shoulder frame now. We got his leg phones. McDonald's. His whatchamacallit things here. Oh my god. Poles, leg poles. Got his main mech, and then his base is still in there. Oh, can you stand? Wait. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. It was pretty good, actually. That was pretty good. You gotta tell me. How does it stand up to Savannah's singing and stuff? And then we got his face. Don't touch the fire. Do not touch the fire. Get out the way. And yes, I'm still wearing his neck pole. Alright, that's all the parts out of the box, and now let's get to the setup. Okay, so as you can see, the base is already here, so now all we need to do is take two of the leg poles. Please don't slap me. This one? There we go. And now we're going to put the shoes over. I'm not going to do it again since I already did it during the unboxing. That who gives a crap. What are those? Other leg. There we go. It doesn't work as well when it's on him. I wonder if that McDonald's jingle is copyrighted. Leg foams. Alright, now we gotta put the pants on. Pants. Let me just move the camera up here. Okay, now I can put the pants on. Oh shoot, which way does it go? Hold on, let me check here. Whatever. Wait, let me just check on the box real quick. Okay, I checked the box. Might still be wrong, but so we got a better chance of it being right. And then, just like that, toss this over, just like that. Next up, we got his main neck here. Ow, who pinched me? This on. Oh my god, am I gonna be taller than Wacky Mole? I didn't expect to be either the same height or taller than him. I think he'll still be taller than me by a bit, but you know. Kind of got bent there. I don't know how, but I think it did. Let me just put on his head real quick. I want to see if I want to be taller than him. Mine is bent down quite a bit, and I'm not quite sure why. And I am considering trying to bend it back up. Yeah, he's still got me a little bit. But pretty soon I'll be taller than Wacky. He won't be able to pummel me with his hammer. I'll just be busy pummeling his mouth with my foot. Because that mouth is so big. Look at those candy corn teeth. Okay, got his frame here. Shirt. Okay. Just like that. Find the sensor. Put it right where it needs to be. Arms. So let's see, this is a hammer off. And other arm also, guys. As you know, this is a store display. In this store, they might have messed around with the the positioning of his arm, because I literally just tried to bend the arm like normally, like just it was holding the prongs like this, and I tried to bend it out like that, and then just the slightest little stress on here, it just pulled that right off. So my dad's friend does welding. He might try to help us fix twitching clown, so he brazed that. I don't know if you guys know what that means, but it's like a type of welding. You just melt the metal and it melts it right together. Basically, that's what it is. But yeah, they might have been messing around with it in the store for positioning, which led that to fall right off. But he was only set up for one day, that's why I blame it on the employees. And it was in August, so. And he was kind of like a birthday gift for my dad, because I got him just like right after my dad's birthday. And I was going to get him, it was supposed to be either Mr. Dark or Ghostface, but they didn't have any. The only one that they had that I wanted was Wacky Mole, and he was set up. So yeah. But he was basically like a gift from me to the family, even though it was his birthday. Like a portion of it went to him. And then with his arms here, if he had like this green trim for here, I would leave it, but he doesn't, so I like to tuck it in. And to be honest, when it's out, it just does not look very good. So I like to tuck that in. Perfect. Okay. Wacky's head. Bozo. Okay, gonna plug him in back here. Not plug him in, but his head. And finally, I'm not going to be keeping him up, so I'm not going to run the adapter down the leg. I'm just going to run it through his back, and then there's an outlet right there so we can plug him on in. And I'm going to adjust the volume and everything. Since it is kind of late, I'm going to not have him at full volume. Put him on sensor mode. Just adjust everything here. Let me make sure his collar is good. Because the reason I don't take his collar off is because I safety pin it up. Because you may notice on some Wackies, the collar is like hanging down and you can see the inside. And on mine, it's tight. The reason is I took a safety pin in the back and I just scrunched a bunch of it up. And it makes it look so much better. Okay, so I'm going to... Well, no, let's do that after. So, let me just plug him in right now, and we will see him.
Step right up, boys and girls. Who's next to
This is
get
my clown.
walloped by my hammer?
I am proud of my clown.
I'll be the first on your block to say, Wacky Mole, clump me over the head.
This is my clown. My clown gonna hit me. So now let's test it out with black lights. Open this up.
God, Halloween costumes, they
shut up.
crazy.
Yeah, we know you don't like bad Halloween costumes.
Pummel things with
Black
my
light?
hammer. I think it's going crazy
Sorry,
again.
Mr. Snowman, I have to unplug you. Snowman air freshener there. Got that for my mom. Christmas a couple years
Step
ago.
right up, boys and girls. Who's next to get walloped by my hammer?
Now, you see.
I'll be the first on
You're
your
just
block
so
to say,
wacky.
Wacky
Sorry.
Mole, clump me over the head.
I started to make a song parody. You guys may know about I'm making a parody
I
to
just love hitting you
Killer
both
Clowns from Outer
with
Space
my
called
hammer.
Bill Skelly's from Spirit Halloween. I'm still working on that. It'll probably be released on the day the flagship is open.
Oh, please.
And then
Closer.
Wacky's gonna get parodied a song called Rainbow in the Dark, turned into Wacky in the Dark. And then that's what I was just singing.
They make me wanna pummel things with my
The cord
hammer.
isn't really long enough.
I think
Let me go grab an
Going
extension
crazy
cord
again.
and I'll be right back. So I got an extension cord, but the light back there is 3-prong. This, as you can see, is only 2-prong. I'll be right back with a 2-prong to 3-prong adapter. I couldn't find a 2-prong to 3-prong adapter, so just took a 3-prong extension cord. See? Alright, I'll be right back when I have this all situated.
Going crazy again.
Okay, my dad just came in here and told me to turn it down, and I quote. So,
Right up, boys and girls.
So,
Who's next
here he is
to
under the
get
black light.
walloped by
That
my
is
hammer?
way more than spirit black lights.
I'll be the first on your block to say,
And the lights aren't even off yet. So, let me go turn off the lights and I'll be right back. Whoa, this guy looks awesome in the black lights. He's totally awesome. Especially if I move it closer. Not that close, but hold on. Like, what if I mounted it like up from the ceiling? That'd look pretty cool. But I still like it down here by his feet. So it's better before. You guys cannot tell the difference on camera, but there's a difference.
And
a pretty big one, too.
Who's next to get walloped by my hammer?
There we
I'll be the
almost
first
go.
on your block to
Angled up.
say, Wacky
There we
Mole, pop me over the head.
Perfect. He looks amazing. I'm sure the 2013 one would have glued a lot better than this.
I just love hitting you.
But, oh, look at his shadow on the ceiling. It looks a lot more blue on camera. Looks more purple in person. I'm going to take a video after, not a video, a picture, see if it comes out any different. And if so, I'll insert it like right here or something. If not, I'll insert the words, no, it didn't, right there. So, yeah. He looks really cool. And I will show a demo of him right now, and then we will cut the video out. So, yeah, after that, I guess I'll see you later.
Step right up, boys and girls. Who's next to get walloped by my hammer? I'll be the first on your block to say, Wacky Mole, club me over the head. I just love hitting you bozos with my hammer. You better watch out, or I'm gonna whop you over the head, too. Oh, please, come a little closer. Bad Halloween costumes make me crazy. They make me wanna pummel things with my hammer. Yes. I think I'm going crazy again.
Oops. You'll be seeing this at the end.